empatano y'okwombeka ekyombeko ekyo ekwasibwa aba UPDF Engineering Brigade okwombeka omwaliiro gw'okubanza mu meezi 4 gonka.
I think they are the ones with the lowest rates. Lowest rates. And they agreed, we approached them. Nangor almost towards and they agreed to come and do this kind of work.
Abirebe agize ngo mwaka ogu batunje miliyoni 5 nazo zirije kwombeka ekyombeko hari Kichwamba Health Center 2.
Za completing ekyo kizimbe kiriho tukimare, and that building is Dr. Benanyango the maternity, is it a comprehensive or something? Konka nibagera ngo erimu abana hibararwari bakabaragurira.
Robert Mugabe Kachebezi meya wa Mbarara City agira ngo esente zirwareri kuzigarukireyo mu government yabire naza kurekura.
Beninde kura kanchi kugambire town crack ero ngwebo gwebembezi nimbwenda karuni nkenda namazima konka ezikuruzigarukire y'abantu batakozirwarere beninjenda habwo kuba benimba ndonzire mbene hatoka bene ukoraki
konka obwiro w'emyezi 18 itusigize reka tukora abantu nobasa kwata kunkunda utakunda Kachebezi utakunda Jomo utakunda Haji Kazigwe murongo n'abandi konka kat pretending
bagamba social economic transformation abantu bakatunguka batende magari umurwere nazo musiri umurwere nasiba risize umurwere nazo mu office.
Major Francis Rugasira kurwo mu UPDF Engineering Brigade araganise ngo nibija kora umurimo murungi.
Icyo kintu kiba kwita quality town clerk be rest assured there is nothing like shode tukaza kufuna shode yono ahabizimbe konka quality jo ntugifuna tutani. To get quality you must have the right materials.
Bwanyuma yo keza theater Nyakayojo Health Center 3 ija kuzubwa izahidara rya Health Center 4. Omuganda makuru abebembezi bagumizemu batongoza okora ko ruguto okumariro rwa Buremba okwika hitendekyo rya Bishop Stewart University okumariro buguto buri kugita Major Victor Bwana na Makansing Street kandi zona nezo kumariro bilioni 5 n'emitwaro rukaga hansi ekora ya Usmaid. Empataneje kwasibwa ba Stars Group kana bo kweza kukora ngutezi Meza Shatugonka. Adolf Ayreka, TV West.